Hello, children. Welcome back to our online class. Hope you have enjoyed the previous session. Now, we are back again with another video focusing on an important topic, and it is a continuation of Chapter 1 Numbers from 1 to 9. Before moving forward, let's recall the previous session topics. See the first one, counting numbers from 1 to 9. So, in previous class, we have counted the numbers from 1 to 9. Next, number names from 1 to 9. Have you all practiced the number names from 1 to 9? Yes, good. Next, counting objects. We have counted some objects using numbers from 1 to 9. Next, smallest one digit number. So, tell me children, what is the smallest one digit number? Yes, very good. It is 1. Next, biggest one digit number. What is the biggest one digit number? Yes, it is 9. Now, we move on to the exercise 1.1 in page number 13. See the first question. Sunil wrote the numbers from 1 to 9, but he missed out a few numbers while writing. Help him write the missing numbers. So, here I have filled all the numbers from 1 to 9. Let's start counting the numbers. And children, you have to repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we have filled the missing numbers. See this one and copy down in your textbook. Next, we can see the second sum in page number 13. Draw as many lollipops as the numbers given below. Children, I hope you all have seen lollipops and tasted too. But it is a junk food, so try to avoid eating lollipops. Okay, children? Good. Now, see here, the numbers are given. According to the given numbers, you have to draw the lollipops. Now, let us see the numbers and count the lollipops according to the number which is given. See the first one. The number is 2. So, we can count the lollipops. 1, 2. Next one. The number is 4. So, we have to draw 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have drawn 4 lollipops. Next, the number is 1. So, we have to draw only 1 lollipop. Yes, good. Next, the number is 5. So, we have to draw now 5 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have drawn 5 lollipops. Next, the number is 3. So, we have to draw 3 lollipops. 1, 2, 3. So, we have drawn 3 lollipops. Now, see this one and copy down in your textbook. Now, see the third sum in page number 13. Write any 4 one-digit numbers with their number names. So, they asked to write any 4 one-digit numbers. Here I have written some numbers with their number names. Let's read the number with their number names. 1, O, N, E, 1. 5, F, I, V, E, 5, 8, E, I, G, H, T, 8, 4, F, O, U, R, 4. So children, if you want, you can try the remaining one digit number also. Or if you want, you can copy this number in your textbook. Now, see the fourth sum in page number 14. Count and write the number of balloons in the space provided. See here the beautiful red color balloons. Do you like balloons, children? Yes, good. Now, tell me where you have seen colorful balloons. Maybe in birthday party or shops or any other occasion. Okay. Have you ever counted the balloons while you are seeing? Yes, okay. Now we are going to count these balloons. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 balloons. Write number 7 in the space provided. Now see the fifth sum in page number 14. Count and write the number of items and number names. So here they have given some gift boxes. Children, do you like gift boxes? Yes, good. We have to count the gift boxes and write the number as well as the number names. Let's start counting the gift boxes. See the first one. How many boxes there? Only one box. So number 1 and the number name is O N E 1. See the next one. How many boxes are there? Let's count. 1, 2. So number 2 and its number name is T W O 2. See the next one. How many boxes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 3 boxes are there. So write number 3 and its number name is T H R E E 3. Likewise, you have to count the items or some objects, etc. Now, the next topic is big and small in page number 15. Now, tell me children, have you ever compared any items or objects, whether it is big or small? Yes, good. So, here we have 2 animals. Tell me what are they? One is elephant and another one is mouse. Now, tell me by seeing this picture, which animal is bigger? Yes, you are right. An elephant is bigger than a mouse. So here elephant is bigger when we compare to mouse. Very good. Now see this one. Try this in page number 16. See the first one. Which fruit is bigger? See this picture and tell me children, which fruit is bigger? Yes, you are right. Watermelon is bigger. Next, which animal is smaller? Compare these 2 animals and tell me which is smaller. Yes, it is mouse. Mouse is smaller when we compare to cat. Yes, good children. You have tried and got the answer. Very good. Now, the next topic is more and less in page number 16. Now, tell me children, what does mean by more? More means that is something extra as well as what you have, and less means smaller amount of what you have. See here, try this. Count the number of fruits and color the set that has more fruits. Now, let's count the mangoes in the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 mangoes in first box. Next, second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, there are 8 mangoes in second box. Now, tell me children, which box has more number of fruit? Yes, it is second box. So, we have colored the second box mangoes. Now, it's work time in page number 18. Worksheet 1. Color the bigger one. So, here are some pictures. You have to find which is bigger and you have to color the particular picture. So, do this one in your book itself. Next, worksheet 1, page number 18, second sum. Tick the set that is more in number. So, children, you have to find out which box contains more fruits. Tick the particular box below in the small box. Next, third sum in worksheet 1, page number 18. Tick the set that is less in number. So, already have said you, less means the small amount. So, you have to find out which box contains less objects. Tick the particular box below in the small box. Next, this is the assignment for you children. Worksheet 3, page number 20. So, I have given first sum, write the missing numbers. So, you have to fill the missing numbers. And the second one is match the numbers with their number names. So, in left hand side they have given numbers and right hand side number names. You have to match the particular number names. And then I have given third sum also in page number 20. Write the number names for the given numbers. So under this you have 5 sums and I have given some numbers. You have to write the number names for the particular numbers. Okay students? So this chapter gets over up to this. So I'll catch you with the new chapter in another session. Thank you children.